Hello, Taste Budians. Welcome to Taste Buds by Anubhi. Today, we are going to do the review of a restaurant called Sigri. It's been in the industry from 14 years and still killing it. Earlier, they were in Frisco at Preston and Warren but moved to Addison 8 years back. The dim lighting, soothing music instantly makes you want to linger longer. As you see, the bar is a Bollywood inspired bar where you see like these colorful posters like you are on a movie set. So you get that retro tunes and you feel that unique desi touch. They also serve buffets if you see the buffet setup. And if you see the open kitchen, I love the open kitchen concept because I personally am always incredibly satisfied watching the skilled chefs working the magic. It just adds authenticity and makes you appreciate the craft. They have daily specials, weekend specials. They also have karaoke nights. So if you're into music while having meal, then this is the place to be. We will talk more about the ambience later, but I just want to jump to the food real quick. So without any further ado, let's get started.
बैंगन की चाट
बहुत अच्छी है। इसको भुट्टा है, क्रिस्पी फ्राई किया है।
so nice, especially this anardana na. It's looking so colorful. क्या बात है? Oh my god, so nice, so good.
So this is the what's the name again? Eggplant.
Eggplant chaat,
Plant chaat.
बहुत ही बढ़िया. So I like the crispiness of this eggplant. It looks deep fried, but you know, this has to be eaten definitely fresh because when you eat it, you get all the flavors. It's all the contrasting flavors of the chaat. So you have the onions, you have the some syrups on the top, and the one more detail, if you want to go to the details, then this anardana. It's taking it to another level, and I actually like the crispiness of the eggplants when you eat it.
Simple and very tasty.
Very tasty, very tasty,
Very nice.
top notch. So calories, if you're calorie conscious, see the eggplant replace the papdi chaat. Papdi का वो जो fried पूरी होता है, right? उसमें, so yeah, that one. And this is a very unique dish. I've been to so many restaurants. I have not seen, ऐसा मैंने देखा नहीं है. And कहीं पे तो मैंने केटरिंग कहीं पे तो खाया मैंने किसी के घर में. बट देन एग प्लांट का साइज जो ये है ना, वो बड़ा वाला एग प्लांट का इतना बड़ा था, सो दैट वो मुझे पसंद नहीं आया. बट this is
very unique, which you can't get the next door.
yeah,
The
definitely.
big eggplant soaks a lot of oil. Small ones they soak less.
oil. और क्या है ना कि just goes into the mouth,
Exactly.
you know.
So
So
this is their signature dish. That's what I'm
I love
looking
it.
for in every restaurant that I go. I look for a unique signature dish that you sell that nobody else sells. Look what we have here. We have Raj Kachori, which is my favorite, which I am always looking for in a chaat restaurant. और यहाँ पे इनके पास लकीली है, तो let me go ahead and take a bite.
मैंने तो लाइफ में कभी खाई नहीं राज कचौरी चाट.
मैंने खा लिया Raj Kachori.
Of course.
So this is Raj Kachori.
This is kind of Rajasthani dish. नहीं.
दिल्ली का है.
वाली है.
मारवाड़ी डिश।
So the moment you taste a burst of kachori in your mouth, the moment you take the first bite, and then ऊपर से जो उनका सीजनिंग हुआ है, जो नॉर्मली पापड़ी चाट पे आता है, जो नायलॉन शेप होता है, अनारदाना. I like this अनारदाना on the top and then बीट रूट को काट के जुलियन वे में काट के डाला है. It's very very good, and this has to be too fresh because थोड़ा सॉगी हो जाएगा. But they have they have ordered it over here, and I'm eating it as soon as it came on the table. Definitely worth a try. Very good.
Kids will love it.
Yeah.
If you're coming here with kids, this is a dish that you definitely need to order. बच्चों को definitely अच्छा पसंद आया. It has that Indian desi flavor भी है उसमें, और cheese is also there, so it's a kind of mixed dish है. Very nice.
Try the hara bhara kebab.
Hara kebab. Wow, it is so soft, yet it is crispy from outside.
Oh, it's steaming hot.
It's steaming hot, एकदम हरा भरा लग रहा है. Very nice.
हमारी तरफ तुम भी हरा भरा पहन के आई।
हमें हरा भरा लग रहे हो मैं. Mind blown. It's all really good. आज हम लोग ज्यादा वेजिटेरियन डिशेस खा रहे हैं, क्या बात है. And we're actually liking it.
Yeah, because Navratri going on, that's
हाँ, नवरात्रि चल रही है. Looking for vegetarian dish. Yeah, very nice. बहुत अच्छा.
So you can just one by one and
अच्छा,
see
पहले
kebab.
उसको पूरा ये कर लेगा.
अच्छा, उसको करो.
ये
ये अमृतसरी फिश फ्राई है.
प्लेट में
So this is shami kebab and this is tikka kebab, right?
yeah, this is
This is chicken tikka kebab.
प्रॉन्स भी डाल दे इसके प्लेट में.
So एक के बाद एक we will try.
and this malai kebab and then you can
Let's try this. Let's try the shami kebab first.
pick up जाने कौन सा.
If you look at the shami kebab, absolutely the size of this shami kebab is perfect for bite size, and you know, if you are having a couple of drinks, then this is a platter that you need to order. और मैंने अभी इसको टेस्ट किया है. It just melts in the mouth, and it has a perfect blend of crispy on the outside, and it's like mushy and ground meat in the inside. स्पाइस लेवल पे अगर बात करूँ तो बिल्कुल स्पाइसी नहीं है. इट इज़ ईजी ऑन द पैलेट बट इट इज़ फ्लेवरफुल. आई वुड से दैट. सो डेफिनेटली अ वर्थवाइल डिश टू ऑर्डर whether you are coming with a family or group of friends. This is definitely something you should order. Another thing in the platter that comes is I think this is tandoori shrimps.
I like the color.
I'm a big fan of seafood because I've been born and brought up in Mumbai, so I've grown on a very stable palate of seafood. So definitely, कोई भी seafood हो, I will always consume it without any complaints. And then they have a malai kebab, the malai chicken tikka kebab, and then the regular chicken tikka kebab.
प्लेट में सारे नॉनवेज के फ्लेवर आ गए. सारे वैरायटी, चिकन हो गया, श्रिम्प हो गया. Excellent. And every item has the different flavor, though they are served together, but whatever you pick up you get a different flavor, and it's mouth watering and absolutely beautiful.
Trying Amritsari fish fry, and again मुंबई में एक इलाका है साइन कोलीवाड़ा, जहाँ पे मेरे घर के बहुत पास है. तो इट हैज़ अ हिस्ट्री ऑफ ऑल द सिख्स एंड पंजाबीज मूविंग ड्यूरिंग द पार्टीशन एरा टू दैट एरिया. और उन्होंने अपने साथ अमृतसरी जो फिश फ्राई का मेन्यू है, वो रेसिपी है, वो लेके आए, एंड दे डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड दैट लव ऑल ओवर मुंबई. सो आई हैव ऑलवेज आई एम अ बिग फैन ऑफ अमृतसरी फिश फ्राई.
How is it? How is the spice level?
Absolutely not spicy.
Good. It has a good flavor.
Yeah, it has good flavor. It is like the fish and chips that you get, but this is our Indian fish and chips. No chips with that, but we have battered fish. Platter के साथ you also get the two different type of chutney. This is kind of a tangy, ingry kind of a chutney. This is a mint chutney. So I had this with the cream cheese cutlet. I also had it with shami kebab and all the other kebabs. It goes very well with the Amritsari fish fry as well. So you can try it with any of the chutneys.
करी हो ये
ये chicken
चिकन करी,
ये लाम रोगन गोश
lamb rogan josh.
नरगिसी कोफ्ता
Oh, nargizi kofta. This is the one that I requested.
ये है अनियन,
अच्छा अभी वो बिरयानी
ये अनियन कुलचा है,
Ah,
ये मिंट
बाप रे।
बुलेट नान है, और ये है
लच्छा
लच्छा पराठा. And then you also get some rice with that.
all the entrees comes with it.
Okay, I am super excited.
ये भी excitement
Yeah,
दिखेगा अच्छा.
yeah. क्या बात है, क्या बात है.
So तुमने अभी क्या लिया है?
लाम रोगन गोश
लोग मुझे पूछते हैं कि तुम खाना खाती हो क्या? ये लो.
Look at her plate.
Yeah, show that her
Look at me. I do eat, guys.
and I do work out.
And I do workout. Workout बहुत important.
किसी कोफ्ता.
So this is kofta.
Thick.
Kofta. Okay. Obviously.
This is our Indian food का सबसे important चीज कांदा.
Important
कांदा
चीज़
और
कांदा और
नींबू.
नींबू.
कांदा मिर्ची नींबू.
कांदा मिर्ची नहीं है.
मिर्ची तो चाहिए. Okay. One thing that grabbed my attention mostly is this.
Bullet.
This is
मिंट बुलेट नान.
mint bullet naan. First time खा रहे हूँ मैं.
बुलेट
I
नान तो
really
काफी खा
like
लिया.
this
मिंट के
place.
साथ तो पहली
Mint
बार
के
खा
साथ
रहे हैं.
कभी नहीं खाया मैंने. ये तो you can eat by itself भी. ऐसा रायता के साथ भी खा सकते हो. तो ये मैं खा रही हूँ. This is like साग. साग जैसा है with कोफ्ता in it. But it is more powerful than saag. It has more flavors in it. It has a nice spice touch to it. And kofta crispy hai. That's what you want in a kofta. So this is like it's a 10 out of 10. बहुत पसंद आया. This restaurant मुझे ना वेजिटेरियन खाना बहुत पसंद है. Not all restaurants have very good vegetarian food, which has flavorful vegetarian food. Next I'm trying the Rogan Josh. क्या बोलूँ मैं इसके बारे में?
कुछ
It's
मतलब
very
नवाबी खाना.
हाँ. It is. Wait, let me get the flavors. इसमें क्या है मुझे समझ में नहीं आ रहा है. बट टेस्टी तो बढ़िया है. बहुत टेस्टी है. वेरी टेस्टी. And it's not like it doesn't have South Indian flavor to it. Okay, North Indian, my North Indian friends or people who are like, you know, venting about, oh, all the South Indian khana has this flavor, same flavor. This has a perfect North Indian taste. I do not get any South Indian flavor to it. And the spice level is perfect and the flavors are very good. और हो गया. Moving on to chicken curry. कुछ अलग ट्राई करती हूँ.
This is
We
onion
try this is
kulcha.
onion kulcha. खाना बढ़िया है. ऐसे नॉन वेज को ना ऐसा अच्छा सा ये आना चाहिए, तरी जैसा अच्छा सा. इट हैज़ दिस नाइस ऑयल टू इट, नाइस टेक्सचर टू इट, यू नो. इसका टेक्सचर, चिकन का टेक्सचर इज रियली रियली गुड. बहुत अच्छा टेक्सचर है. देख के ही ऐसा लगता है कि खा जाओ. इट इज़ अ रेगुलर चिकन करी, बट आई लाइक द टेक्सचर ऑफ इट. ऑनियंस और टोमेटोज का जो ग्रेवी है, आई कैन फील इट. ओवरऑल I loved all of them, and I also love all this bread here.
तो मेरा फेवरेट ऑलवेज हैज बीन लैम रोगन गोश और जोश. और
गोश्त खा के अभी को जोश आता है.
या मुझे आई लव द फैक्ट दैट इट्स अ कश्मीरी डिश. तो कुछ डिश ऐसे होते हैं जो कि आपको ज़बान से अट्रैक्ट करते हैं, बट ये जो लैम रोगन गोश्त जो है वो आपको आंखों से इनवाइट करती है, बिकॉज इट इज़ सो रिच एंड एक रेड करी होती है जो आपको पहले से ही अट्रैक्ट करती है. तो दैट्स व्हाट आई लव अबाउट रोगन गोश्त. हमेशा हर जगह खाया है मैंने. So you can feel the Kashmiri red chili spices that you have the moment you take the first bite. और लच्छा पराठा के साथ it goes very well with लच्छा पराठा or any of the onion kulcha you want to try. But this is definitely one dish that I like, जो बहुत ही rich है and always you can bank on this dish.
So this is such a unique concept, right? दाल तो हमेशा कुकर में बनता है, and the way of serving is really amazing. ये देखिए, wow, this is दाल तड़का, the most common food like an item in an Indian food, right? Cuisine, दाल तड़का हर घर में बनता है.
But you know that twist has added.
Twist is cooker.
Yeah.
So to enjoy dal tadka is always with white rice, okay? And some dal. Wow. See, the dal is so rich. Though it's a very simple menu, but with tomatoes and with this tadka of ये जो लाल मिर्ची की जो तड़का है, this is like अपने घर जैसा बना हुआ है. So you will feel like at home, not restaurant food.
क्या प्लेटिंग है यार.
मैं करूँगा टेस्ट क्योंकि it's very appetizing लग रहा
So
है.
now I'm having this.
मुंह में पानी आ रहा है.
Amazing. मतलब ये तूर का दाल है, right? So तूर दाल and with घी का तड़का, देसी घी का तड़का दिया हुआ है, and no spice, nothing. It's very good. बच्चों के लिए भी एकदम superb है. और हर फ्लैशी खाने के साथ अगर दाल और चावल हो गया ना, तो बस
और क्या चाहिए. अभी what do you think?
So I've taken a side of that and I'm going to try that.
तारीफ किया, मुझे भी थोड़ा डाल दो.
It's amazing.
Yeah, I know.
लोगों को तारीफों की आदत हो जाती है ना, वो लोग ऐसा करेंगे.
Very good dal.
कैसा है?
Very good.
दाल तड़का हम लोग कह के तो स्टेपल डाइट है, तो we this is like
आपको
दाल
पता
चावल
है,
रेड में तो होना ही
दाल
चाहिए.
इज ऑलवेज लाइक वेरी अट्रैक्टिव होता है हर एक मतलब इंडियन खाने में.
वो दाल को बदनाम करके रखे, बोलते घर की मुर्गी दाल बराबर.
But इससे कहीं से घूम के आओ, you just
हैव दाल चावल.
That's it.
और कुछ नहीं.
When you come back home after a long trip, you miss the most you miss the dal chawal.
वही सबसे पहले तो
Okay, I'm trying the goat biryani. Look at the colors. You know, very colorful, very appetizing. And I just tried eating. And I'll say, it's not oily. You know, the rice is separated, very fluffy. You know, and I'll say it's divine. The meat is cooked to perfection. Overall, the flavor and everything is like mind-blowing, outstanding. Orange के अंदर stuff करके, you know, this is an actual orange. इसके अंदर. It's like regular kulfi. It has a orange. What is orange का flavor is? But you know the presentation and the concept, so creative. I love it. Okay, the speciality of this restaurant. One thing that I want to mention is in a lot of restaurants, see कि frozen लेके आते हैं and then गरम करते हैं. and
Frozen
serve
sweets.
it. Yeah, but everything is made here from the scratch in Sigri. That is a very important factor to be noted, guys, my followers. Remember that, because there is a big difference in the fresh one versus frozen. So यहाँ पे सब कुछ बनता है, and if you have seen, they have an open kitchen. समोसा यहाँ पे और स्पैच से बनता है, and the gulab jamun is so soft. कभी खाती नहीं हूँ, but this looks so tempting. OMG, to die for. और ये क्या है? रबड़ी. Okay, not a fan of रबड़ी. But अभी तू खा ले.
गुलाब जामुन के ऊपर डाल।
क्या?
Yeah, gulab jamun rabdi. Come on, that's a very good combination.
So much calories, but I think it's worth it. Too good.
ये जो नेचुरल फ्लेवर है ऑरेंज का, जो कुल्फी में ऑटोमेटिक आ गया है, नो आर्टिफिशियल थिंग.
Gulab jamun, my favorite.
ये डाल के दो।
ऑरेंज कुल्फी किसी को भी लगेगा कि ऑरेंज फ्लेवर.
बहुत अच्छी है.
पर पता है आजकल
मलाई फ्लेवर।
yeah, and nowadays in lot of restaurants more विदेशी टाइप हो गया है कि चॉकलेट के ऊपर
I know.
या ये
Hot
डालो,
chocolate
हॉट
डाल
चॉकलेट
दो,
डालो,
डाल
ये
दिया,
डालो,
ये
बट
कर
यू नो ब्रिंगिंग a desi
The tradition.
yeah
Sticking to your roots is very important.
yeah sticking to your roots.
जैसे कि आप मतलब
मतलब
चॉकलेट लावा केक लेके आते हैं और
हाँ।
this is a pure
अभी
Indian culture.
अभी गोरों को क्या मालूम हिंदुस्तानी का क्या स्वाद है।
हाँ.
Like, very sticking to your Indian culture, Indian roots, और अपनी Indian food को ही थोड़ा इनोवेटिव बनाने की कोशिश की, which I like.
थोड़ा सा अमेरिकन ट्विस्ट भी
So
दे
good.
दिया।
yeah very good. Okay.
Nice, very good. The good thing about this rabdi is it's not overly sweet.
Yeah.
That's
And
what.
that's why it is
See,
tasting so good with gulab jamun.
Exactly.
Any
It's balancing
sweet,
it.
any
so
sweet,
beautiful.
if it is very overly sugary, then it will never taste good. Like अभी जो रेडीमेड हम लेते हैं गुलाब जामुन ले लिया,
बहुत
रसगुल्ला
subtle
ले लिया,
flavor है, बहुत subtle sweet
You
है.
actually get the flavor.
So, guys, overall, the restaurant is an absolute gem. Great pricing, great customer service. They also have this small area where you can book for small gatherings. I highly recommend for anyone looking to enjoy great food in a feel-good setting. You can in fact book the entire restaurant if you want to celebrate any occasion, like if you see they have some celebrations going on for 50th, and they also do catering, whether it's a wedding, corporate event, or an intimate gathering. I heard very good reviews about their catering. Their attention to detail and seamless execution is what is mostly appreciated by the customers. So Taste Buds by Anubhi highly recommends it. I love their vegetarian food personally. They have a great menu of chaat items, different parathas, chole bhatura, thali, lot of grill items including sizzlers, and a lot of exciting curries. They also serve Jain food and Indo-Chinese. So guys, try to visit this restaurant. It's definitely worth a visit. Thanks for watching my video. We will be back soon with another review. Until then, thank you from Taste Buds by Anubhi. Please like, comment and subscribe to my channel.